Today, we're going to journey through our solar system to count down 5 extraordinary facts that showcase the majesty and mystery of our celestial home. Thank you for watching, and enjoy. Number 5. The solar system's youthful star. Our Sun is a G-type main sequence star, also called a yellow dwarf. It is a youthful 4.6 billion years old, in the prime of its life, fusing hydrogen into helium in its core. With a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, or approximately 865,000 miles, it's the largest object in our solar system. The Sun holds 99.86% of the solar system's mass and will continue to shine in its current state for about another 5 billion years before expanding into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. Number 4. Mercury's shrinking act. Mercury, the innermost planet, is a world of extremes. It's not only the smallest planet, with a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers, or 3,032 miles, but it's also shrinking. As the interior cools, Mercury's surface contracts, creating unique cliff-like landforms known as lobate scarps that can stand around 3 kilometers, or 1.86 miles high, and can stretch over hundreds of kilometers across the surface. It is estimated that Mercury has shrunk about 7 kilometers, or 4.34 miles, in its lifetime. This tiny planet is a testament to the dynamic processes at work, even on the smallest scales. Number 3. Venus, the melting pot. Venus, one of our planetary neighbors, is shrouded in mystery and extreme heat, with surface temperatures averaging around 465 degrees Celsius, or 870 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hotter than a pizza oven and could melt lead with ease. This intense heat is due to a thick atmosphere, rich in carbon dioxide, trapping heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. This thick atmosphere shrouds the surface of Venus, making the surface all the more mysterious. Number 2. The Asteroid Belt's treasure trove. The Asteroid Belt, a vast ring of space rocks between Mars and Jupiter, is like a time capsule from the dawn of our solar system. It contains millions of asteroids, ranging in size from small boulders to the size of the dwarf planet Ceres. The total mass of this belt is estimated to be less than 4% of the Moon's mass, but it holds invaluable clues to our cosmic past. Number 1. Jupiter, the mighty giant. Jupiter, the behemoth of our solar system, is so large that it could contain all the other planets within its massive volume. With a diameter of around 142,984 kilometers, or 88,846 miles, it's 11 times wider than Earth. This gas giant is mostly made of hydrogen and helium, and its Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth itself, has been raging for centuries. Jupiter's immense gravitational pull plays a dual role in the solar system. It draws in and deflects comets and asteroids, acting as a shield for the inner planets, but it can also affect the orbits of smaller objects, potentially sending them towards Earth. This giant serves as a reminder of our size in the infinite cosmos. As we marvel at these facts, let's remember that our solar system is a place of wonder and extremes, from the fiery furnace of the Sun to the icy realms beyond Neptune. It's a cosmic playground that continues to captivate and inspire us all. Keep your eyes to the skies, for every star has a story, and every planet holds a piece of the puzzle in our quest to understand the universe. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic journey. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, feel free to show your support with a thumbs up or by sharing this video with someone else who may enjoy it. Your support truly helps a lot. I would also love to hear your thoughts on today's video or the solar system in the comments below. If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, feel free to subscribe. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and be well.